Happy New Year's, everybody. Today we are going to be hunting big water. A snowstorm is snowing out pretty good. Waiting for everybody else to get here right now. There was about been about 200 birds here for the past couple days, so hopefully it should be good. We're going to run 2 A-frames, some dive bombs, some floaters, some full bodies today. I'll show you guys the setup whenever it starts getting more light out. Well, whenever we get set up too. Yeah, so hopefully it should be a good day. We'll probably be sitting here for a while, wait for them to get done feeding, come back to loaf, and get on them. So hopefully everything pans out, and we'll see you guys here in a little bit. You guys have good New Year's.
Good day? On the other pond? Yeah.
They're down.
There's more up. Big group somewhere over here.
Where's my flag at? There they are.
Big group kept going. There's 2 coming Big group's up. Yeah.
Taking a shot behind us?
Yeah.
Who's calling it?
I'll call it.
Let him work.
Alright, kill him.
What? Damn it.
That gun didn't even shoot. Oh, what the hell?
Got a swimmer right here.
Good shooting, boys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy.
One just dropped. One just dropped right here.
Alright, there's a big group behind us.
In the decoys or fast?
Fast in the front, in the front one. Fuck, we got birds bellied up.
Ready? Yep. Kill him.
3.
Birds, baby! Did gun shoot that time, Eli?
Yeah, it shot that time, but it's still up.
Hey, they're coming back.
Yeah, fucking nasty birds.
If the 4-pack lands, let them bring the other ones in.
Yeah, down. Am I recording?
What's that?
Am I recording?
Yeah, you're right.
Where's that flag?
We gotta belly up, birds out. We gotta pick the dead birds up.
Oh yeah, right here.
Let them all get in. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Go.
I shot fucking 2 to someone else fucking shot also.
Yeah,
I'm gonna ring you.
3 for 3.
Alright, hold on.
One's coming over there.
On the right.
All right.
Alright, let's strike all these 2 back in, maybe.
Eli, did you shoot?
No, because I was like 3 inches from Jeff's whole body and like head.
Why didn't you shoot?
Alright, let's get these ones picked up.
Let's go grab these ones. I shot.
Here.
Yeah, there's a big flock right out in front. They're gonna do it.
Yeah, they're cupped up.
group. They like duck down.
Yeah, there's two coming right up over the back.
Watch out. Don't move. Let's kill this single right here.
Oh, you still got the group coming in, right?
Shoot him?
Shoot him.
Fuck him.
Get what we can get. Damn.
You guys don't know how to water swat.
It shows.
Gonna be a short video. I think we ended up with 17 and 3 or 4 mergansers. So, well, I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll talk to you guys later.